City life is exciting, so much to do, always on the go. The hustle and bustle of the streets, the constant movement of people, and the endless opportunities make it a thrilling place to be. But sometimes you need a break. The city never sleeps. It's full of energy. The lights, the sounds, the sheer vibrancy can be exhilarating, but it can also be exhausting. But that energy can be overwhelming. The traffic jams, the crowded subways, the never-ending rush can take a toll on anyone. We all need a place to breathe, a moment to pause and find some peace amidst the chaos. That's where nature comes in. It offers a sanctuary, a place to escape and rejuvenate. Even in the city, you can find it. Little pockets of green that provide a much-needed respite. Parks, gardens, even little trees on the sidewalk. These small touches of nature make a big difference. Nature is a breath of fresh air. It calms the mind and soothes the soul. It helps us relax and recharge. Whether it's a walk in the park, a moment of meditation, or simply sitting on a bench, nature has a way of restoring our energy, ready to take on the city again. With renewed vigor and a fresh perspective, we can embrace the non-stop action once more. Nature is like a warm hug. It makes you feel safe and calm. And guess what? You don't need to go far to find it. Parks are little pockets of peace. Trees and flowers are like magic. They make you forget about the traffic and noise. Even a short walk in nature can change your whole day. It's like hitting the reset button. So next time you feel stressed, find some nature. It's the best medicine. Look around your city. You might be surprised. Green spaces are everywhere. You just have to know where to look. Parks are like the heart of a city. They bring people together, a place to play, relax, and enjoy nature. Don't forget about gardens. Some are hidden away, secret spots of beauty. Look for them. Even rooftop gardens count. They bring nature up high. Amazing views and fresh air. What's not to love? Section 4. Short walks, big impact. Every step counts. You don't need a whole day for a nature walk. Even 15 minutes helps. Just a short stroll can make a big difference in your day. Every step in nature is a step in the right direction. It's a simple way to reconnect with the world around you. Walking is good for your body. It strengthens your muscles and improves your balance. It gets your heart pumping. Regular walks can improve cardiovascular health and increase your stamina. And it's good for your mind too. Walking in nature can clear your thoughts and help you focus better. Nature helps you think clearly. It reduces stress. Spending time in green spaces can lower anxiety and improve your overall mental health. And it boosts your mood. Who doesn't want that? A simple walk can lift your spirits and make you feel happier. So put on your walking shoes, find a green space, and enjoy the walk. Embrace the benefits of nature and make every step count. Section 5. Your green adventure. Find your happy place. Every city has its own special green spaces. Go explore. You might discover a new favorite spot. Ask around. People love to share their favorite places. Maybe there's a hidden gem you don't know about. Look for maps and websites. They can help you find parks, trails, and gardens near you. Adventure awaits. Get out there and explore the green side of your city. Section 6. Nature's gift. Open your heart. Nature is a gift. It's all around us. In the midst of our busy lives, we often forget to notice the beauty that surrounds us. The hustle and bustle of the city can be overwhelming, but if we take a moment to pause, we can find nature's wonders even here. We just have to open our eyes and see it. The vibrant colors of flowers, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the chirping of birds are all around us, waiting to be noticed. Open your heart to the beauty. Let the simple joys of nature fill you with peace and happiness. It's a reminder that life is not just about work and responsibilities. Even in the city, nature finds a way. Amidst the concrete and steel, life flourishes. Plants grow in the most unexpected places, showing us that life is resilient and beautiful. A little flower growing between the cracks. It's a symbol of hope and perseverance. No matter how tough the environment, life finds a way to thrive. A bird singing on a fire escape. Amazing! These small moments of beauty are gifts that we often overlook. Take a moment each day to appreciate nature. Whether it's a walk in the park or simply sitting on a bench, let yourself be immersed in the natural world around you. It will make you smile. The simple act of connecting with nature can bring immense joy and tranquility to your day. Nature is a reminder that there's more to life than just the hustle and bustle. It's the little things. Enjoy them. Take a deep breath, feel the breeze, and let the beauty of nature remind you of the simple pleasures in life.